Hey kiddos, welcome to Anikakid's TV. Blue color.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man?
Yellow color.
Lives on Drury Lane.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we
A for
know
apple,
the Muffin
A for
Man
apple,
lives
B for
on
ball.
Drury Lane.
C. C for cat. C for cat.
Do you know
D.
the Muffin Man, the Muffin
for
Man, the Muffin
dog.
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man
E.
lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we
E
know
for
the Muffin Man, the Muffin
elephant.
Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we
F.
know the Muffin Man who lives on
F
Drury
for
Lane.
fish. F for fish. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Bye kids.